Airbnb hosting, the ultimate do's and don'ts. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the essential do's and don'ts of renting out your property on Airbnb. Think of Airbnb like a game, and in this game, the name of the game is getting those 5-star reviews. We're about to unveil the secrets to becoming an Airbnb hosting superstar. Let's get started. Do thoroughly screen your guests. Not all guests are created equal. Just like you wouldn't hand over the keys to your car to a stranger, you shouldn't hand over the keys to your home without doing your homework. Look at their reviews, see what other hosts are saying, and don't be afraid to ask a few questions up front. It's all about protecting your investment, your peace of mind, and ultimately, your bottom line. A little due diligence goes a long way in the world of Airbnb hosting. Don't neglect your listing description. Your listing description is your first impression, your chance to make your property shine online. Highlight those unique features, the ones that make your property stand out from the competition. Maybe it's a breathtaking view, a chef's kitchen, or a cozy fireplace. Be upfront about your house rules, your pet policy, and any other quirks that potential guests should know about. Do keep your property clean and well-maintained. Cleanliness is non-negotiable. We're talking sparkling bathrooms, spotless floors, and fresh linens that smell like a dream. Establish a solid cleaning routine. A vase of fresh flowers, some local snacks, those little touches can make all the difference in creating a welcoming and memorable stay. Think of it this way. Would you give a 5-star review to a place that felt grimy? Probably not. Don't ignore local laws and regulations. Before you even list your property, you need to do your homework. Check with your city, your county, and even your homeowners association to make sure you're in compliance. This includes things like occupancy limits, noise ordinances, and safety requirements. Do communicate clearly and promptly with guests. Communication is key in any relationship, and your relationship with your Airbnb guests is no different. Respond to inquiries promptly, provide detailed check-in instructions, and offer local recommendations. A little communication goes a long way in preventing misunderstandings and ensuring a smooth and positive experience. Don't overprice your listing. Pricing your Airbnb isn't about emotions, it's about finding that sweet spot where supply meets demand. Do your research. Check out comparable listings in your area, consider seasonality and demand, and be willing to adjust your pricing accordingly. It's all about finding that balance between maximizing your earnings and attracting a steady stream of guests. Do provide essential amenities. What are those essential amenities that can make or break a stay? We're talking about the basics: fresh linens, towels, toiletries, and of course, a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Consider going above and beyond with those little extras that can elevate the guest experience. A well-stocked kitchen can make all the difference for guests who prefer to cook their own meals. Don't disregard guest feedback. Guest feedback is your roadmap to earning those coveted ratings. Embrace both the positive and the constructive criticism. Use this valuable feedback as an opportunity to improve your property, your amenities, or even your communication style. Do take high-quality photos. In the world of online listings, photos are everything. Invest in professional photography. Highlight the best features of your property: the spacious living room, the modern kitchen, the stunning views. Remember, you're not just selling a place to stay, you're selling an experience. Don't forget to update your calendar. Keep your calendar up to date. Sync it with all of your booking platforms to avoid double bookings and potential cancellations. Regularly review your calendar for accuracy. Make sure to block off dates for personal use, maintenance, or any other reason why the property might be unavailable. Level up your Airbnb game. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on how to succeed with Airbnb. We're all about helping you crush it in the world of short-term rentals. By following these do's and don'ts, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your bookings, boosting your income, and achieving Airbnb superstar status. Happy hosting!